What's up guys?
Hey guys, how you doing?
Welcome back to our vlog channel. Today's video is a really exciting one, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's kind of an impulse one. We made the video about the vans, us wanting to do van life.
Yeah, that was a few months ago now, wasn't it?
Maybe a month.
3? No, it was like 3 months ago.
Oh, it was nice weather.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was before we went to Switzerland.
Oh wow.
Yeah. It's been a while.
And we weren't really sure at the time if we were or weren't going to do it.
Yeah.
And I don't know, we've just kind of been convinced in the last few weeks.
We've been watching lots of van conversions and van tours, and we're just like getting so much more excited. And especially now with like lockdown, if you guys didn't know, or if you're watching from another country, the UK is currently in another lockdown.
Sort of, yeah.
Kind of, well, yeah, they are, but...
Yeah, I mean, it's just... Mostly, a lot of things are still open, like, you know, but it's just, we thought winter would be the perfect time to do it.
Exactly, because we've got lots of spare time on our hands, you know.
And we like taking on new projects over the winter as well.
Yeah, exactly, because it's just something to do, isn't it?
Something to do, and I don't mind the rain. It's a miserable day today.
It is horrible. I mean, you guys can see through the windows. It's nasty weather.
But if you're actually new to this channel, maybe you've just come for van life videos, then hello.
Hi.
I'm Matt.
I'm Roxy. This is our first ever van conversion, and we are just on our way to pick up the first ever van.
You know, we usually do like travel vlogs, home DIYs, home renovations, so we kind of have like a DIY renovation background already.
Yeah, so it kind of just makes sense, doesn't it, for us to do this?
Yeah.
Because it's like, it's travel, obviously eventually when we get to travel, but then it's also like decoration, DIYs, all within like one little room.
So we're at the supercharger now, just charging the car, on our way to Bristol to pick up our van.
Yep. It's going to be our first time driving a van as well, isn't it?
Yeah, I've never driven a van, so you have to buy it without looking at it. You can't, like, you literally arrive, pick up the van and leave. Like, you can't look around it. You get 14 days to return it. Yeah,
so that's the good thing, but obviously because of COVID, they're trying to make it like least contact as possible.
Yeah, little contact, so I'm excited.
I'm excited too. It's going to be fun. It's going to be an adventure, isn't it?
We've been looking for the right van for a while.
Yeah.
And, you know, I like this one because it's grey.
Yeah.
I didn't want a white one, they're all white.
Yeah, I feel like the white ones just look like a regular like company kind of van.
Yeah.
Whereas like a grey one kind of has a bit more style, a bit more swag.
Yeah. So let's should be ready to go. So yeah, let's go to Bristol.
Alright guys, we're on our way back. We are at the superchargers again because well, we just wanted to charge a little bit.
Well, we didn't need to stop, but because we didn't get to take a look at the van in Bristol, we couldn't show you guys. We just thought we'd pull over on the way back.
Exactly.
And show you, so you were ready to see it.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
There we go.
Wait, I'm like covering the whole thing.
Yeah.
There you go. It is so cool. So we actually went for the Ford, what is it, L3 H3?
Transit L3H3.
That's the one.
And should we just jump straight in because it is completely raining.
Yeah, like, let's get in.
Let's go on the side. The camera is getting soaked.
No, you've got the key. It's not me. Or have you left it in the car?
I don't have the key. We lost the key.
This is not a good start.
No, I don't have the key.
Oh, I got it.
You do have it. Okay.
No, it's not.
You said you've got it.
No, it was a Hubba Bubba gum packet.
Oh, for God's sake.
It's not it. What is it? Where is it?
I'll go back to the car. I can't unlock the car. You got the key for this car.
Why is it raining so hard?
You have the key for this car. I can't.
Why is it raining so hard?
Okay. There we go.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Okay, take 2.
Alright.
We're in. This is what it looks like inside.
Yeah.
It's very spacious, isn't it?
I love the height.
Yeah. I mean, look, I can't even reach it. I'm like 5'4" and I can't reach the top.
Yeah, that's the main reason we went for the Ford over the Mercedes, was the height.
Yeah.
I mean, even after insulation and everything, we're going to have loads of room to play with.
We'll have loads of room. So we're thinking of we'll give you guys a little sneak peek of our ideas. We're thinking bed in the back.
Well, it's very traditional. It's what
very traditional, but some people like to have the bed this way because obviously this is quite narrow, but I think we will knock into these little panels here for more space in the bed area. I think I'll fit in it either way, but Matt's quite tall.
No, I know we'll have a full width bed because like you've got all this room.
Well, exactly, yeah.
So we will have like a little cutout panel area
for legs and things like that, yeah.
With less insulation.
Yeah, we're excited. And then yeah, we've got some cool ideas. Then we've got like inspiration from loads of different videos.
Yeah.
So we're excited.
It's safe to say our expectations
are high.
Are as high
as the van.
The reality.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. It's our first build, but we don't want to bodge things. We want to take our time.
We do want to take our time. We have a lot of experience with DIY, so
don't want to cut corners.
We should be.
Should be okay. Should be okay.
Just opening the back door real quick, so you can get a good view. I like that the inside of this is grey as well.
Yeah, it's really nice.
You can't always cover up. I don't think every part.
It's quite hard. But I think this is a really nice bones of the van. It's very, very simple. It's got the wooden panels which we might actually use as a base to kind of stick things on top of or whatever.
Well, we have to remove them to start with either way.
Of course. But we might use them eventually.
Electricals and insulation.
Yeah.
We're going to document the whole thing, right?
Yeah, of course we will, yeah.
Okay. Shall we jump in the cab?
Yeah, let's show you guys the cab as well.
This is the van from the back and the sides. And let's go jump in. Just showing the van from the outside. Yep,
this is the inside. It's really actually quite nice. Van, I would never think to say this, but a van can actually look quite nice inside.
We're going to give it a really good clean when we get home.
Yeah, I mean, not that it needs it, it's actually pretty good condition.
It is in good condition. Actually, this van is 3 years old. It's done 70,000 miles. Boring stuff, I know. It's had 4 services in that time.
Yeah. I wonder what it was used for. They never really said, but...
I don't know. It's a panel van. It was probably used for... I don't know, it could be used for anything from a plumber's van, lighting, electrician, you know, so many things.
Yeah,
cargo.
I was just saying to Matt that I'm actually gonna, so basically our plan is to just get 2 seats that swivel around, and I'm gonna miss this middle seat because I like being close to it when we're driving. I'm gonna be so far away,
It's fine, because actually when you get the single seat, it probably won't be as tucked in.
Do you think?
Well, we'll have a little gap to walk through the middle.
Yeah.
Because the first thing we're gonna do is get rid of this bulkhead.
Yeah.
So we can get to the back of the van from inside. Without having to go out the side doors, open up.
I think that's really important. And it also allows you to have 2 seats, you know, 2 extra seats.
One important thing is, I think we want to run this van completely off electricity, preferably as renewable as possible. We're going to do solar panels. Yeah. We're not going to have propane, gas or anything like that.
No.
We would have got an electric truck if there was a feasible one on the market, but I think right now it's not, you know, a couple of years away.
Yeah. Alright guys, we are home.
Yeah. We're probably not going to park it here in the future because there's a branch from our tree.
Yeah,
probably tuck it in the corner, won't we?
Yeah, it's pretty bad. I mean, look at this branch.
Well, I don't want to cut the branch.
Well, we don't want to cut the branch, but if Matt backed up any further, it would have just scratched the back.
It's quite chunky, so we'll put it there.
Yeah.
And also that way we can open the garage door, open the 2 van doors, and just work on it from the garage because it's going to be cold.
That's a good idea.
So, yeah, I really like the colour.
I actually really like the colour as well because I think the white one would just get really dirty and the black one would get too hot, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So grey is nice in between.
Yeah, but because we're losing sunlight, it's literally 4 o'clock. We're gonna catch up with you guys tomorrow where we might actually start. We might remove the bulkhead and do a few bits.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm excited to get working on it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so it's now the next day. We have had a little time to sort of discuss our plan of action, and
actually,
we're
back. we've been building all night.
Yeah.
So we want to show you the finished van tour.
Imagine. Okay, wait, come here.
Alright.
Okay, so this is the back.
Alright, so in here,
this is the garage space.
We've got the garage. Beds up here. So yeah, you got structure is a little bit in the way. That's the garage. It's powered
by air. Right now.
Do you want to show them inside?
Yeah.
It is finished.
So this is the finished design. It's very durable. I've got to say that. I mean, it's cardboard, so one of the most durable products. No, I'm kidding. Basically, we did this so that we could kind of get an idea of how much room we had. Yeah. And this is the configuration that we're most leaning towards of doing.
So what have we got? We've got kitchen countertops.
Yep.
We've got the bed. Maybe a bench.
The same height. Yeah, little bench. We're thinking of maybe putting a little shower thing that we can pull out from there and a toilet. And I feel like we've still got loads of room. That's the main thing.
The main thing I'm still so impressed with is the height.
Oh no, look, I can't even touch it.
Yeah.
Mental. We're gonna have so much insulation in the roof and just still so much space. Obviously when you first get into this project, you never really think about like all the little things, like all the angles, like how are you gonna build cupboards around this weird angle.
Just the little details that are gonna be difficult. And now we have the van, and I think we've decided we are keeping it.
Yeah.
We are going to remove the bulkhead, maybe some panels.
Yeah.
We're going to number the panels because they've already been cut round some key components, so there'll be good templates.
Yeah, for sure.
And we probably have to start ordering stuff, which is scary.
It's scary, but I'm excited equally.
Yeah, so let's get this cardboard out. We just got all this used recycled cardboard, a couple of boxes we had in our garage for moving. And yeah, let's remove the bulkhead.
Also, we don't have a step, so every time you come in, you have to like do a big step to get up.
And like these trousers I'm wearing, oh my gosh, these trousers, I don't know, they're like really tight, I'm like this.
You can't make the... You gotta be a ninja to get in and out.
Yeah. First panel.
First of many. Alright, so we've removed the first panel so we can get to the bulkhead, and look how much space we've got now.
I actually cannot believe the depth.
I know.
That is so much room for fun and activity. Insulation.
So much room for activities. Yeah, but no, this is definitely going to be great space for insulation, and the walls are going to be pretty much flush with this anyway.
I'm so surprised. There's room in there for everything. Electricals, pipe work.
I know, it's
anything
crazy.
You need.
Yeah.
So let's get this panel out and then we'll get the bulkhead out.
Yeah, let's do this.
Alright, so
let's get on with it.
Do you want to do some?
Alright, why not?
There you go.
Thanks.
It's very powerful.
Oh my god, hang on.
Pull the last bit out, with your fingers.
Yeah.
You just pull it as you unscrew it. That's it. You could do if you're unscrewing it, pull it out with your fingers whilst you're pressing the drill, and the last second it'll come out. That's the quickest way of doing it.
Oh, wasn't pressing it hard enough.
Yeah. And it's got to be dead straight on. If you're at a slight angle with these.
I'm not one to do handiwork like this, you guys, but I don't mind it.
Usually Roxy falls ill around these sort of times.
Hey, to be fair, so when we moved into this house, I was so badly ill, and I was so looking forward to move and stuff and like help you and your dad. But I just couldn't. I was like ill on the floor with like no sofa to even sit on. And he's always had that against me now.
Well, I don't know. Alright, is that all the screws? We've just got the silicone at the bottom.
Yeah, wait, what's this bit? That's
that shouldn't get in the way.
Can you not just pull it?
Well, the thing is, because that's in the way, I've got to pull it up.
Yeah.
If I just scored the knife with
get
the
a knife then.
Alright, one sec.
Yeah, they attached it all pretty well. Like, look at this. I'm glad we won't have to like rebuild these, the over the wheel arch kind of boxes, because they're already made, so that's good. Anything that saves a bit of time.
Definitely need a Stanley whenever you're doing anything like this.
Yeah. They did a good job. I was just saying they did a good job at sealing everything, like, even all around the box.
Yeah, it's a tidy job. I wonder if that'll be enough.
Yeah, hopefully. Hey, there we go. Nice one.
Easy.
Wow.
So we've marked them. This is RB1. What does that stand for?
Right, mid. Oh.
Right bottom one.
Yeah.
That's right top one. That was right middle one.
Yeah.
So we've labelled them all.
Yeah.
We've got to label this side still.
I have done it.
Oh yeah.
It's there. Already ahead of the game.
Are we overexposed?
It was for a sec, but it's fine now. Alright, well, I guess we can now take off the bulkhead. Should we do that?
Yeah.
I really want to see how much light we'll be getting in.
Yeah, we've got close to 20 bolts there.
Alright, let's do it. I have to get low. Oh my god! You can see!
It's out.
So we're doing this pesky bolt.
Yeah, see, I thought this was actually welded to that.
No.
Nice and easy.
Awesome.
I'll get it.
Okay. There's actually quite a lot of space under the seats too.
There's a lot what?
There's a lot of space under that seat.
Wow, there is so much room. Alright, so we've taken all of the panels out now.
Yeah.
Taking the panels out the doors as well. The only thing we've left in for now is the floor and the boxes.
Yeah, just because we won't be working on that right away, so we might as well.
I mean, we probably will remove it at some point.
Yeah.
I think there's probably a little bit of room, some channels for some insulation.
Yeah, definitely.
So one thing we're really happy with is there's no structure here and here.
Yeah, so you can actually gain so much more space for the bed in the back.
So whereas the main insulation walls will come out to here, where the bed area is, we're actually going to go inwards.
Yeah.
We're going to have a smaller, maybe 1 inch of insulation either side. So we're going to have a bed that's actually over 6 foot wide.
Yeah, that's
which
amazing.
Is really good.
Good for you, because you're tall.
I know. One last feature which the van came with, which is an option we really wanted, but we had no idea it came with it, was actually the doors.
We wanted to actually get hinges that did this, so like the doors swing all the way back.
So that's like an option.
Yeah.
I was going to buy the hinges on eBay and spray paint them. And
I know, until we realised that it actually come with it, which is cool.
Yeah, I'm so glad that we don't have to do that. So yeah, that's really useful to have the doors that open all the way.
Yeah, I just think it's nicer looking from the inside when you don't have to see the doors.
But yeah, it started to rain now.
I know.
And, you know, we've done a lot in this video. We've got the van, we've done the initial removing of the panelling and the bulkhead.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. We're going to be doing
so excited.
So many van vlogs. We'll document everything.
We will. So stay tuned for all the vlogs. We hope you guys enjoyed this one and are excited to come on the journey with us, because I think it's quite exciting.
Definitely. I think we'll start a playlist just for the van build too.
Yeah, for sure.
So check that out.
All right, we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you guys. Bye.
Bye.